Hi everyone! On this episode of Foodie Pinoy, we're going to make Leche Flan using powdered milk. First, we're going to prepare the caramel. Place 2 tablespoons of sugar in the mold. Let's head to the stove to make this. Heat the Lenero mold in the stove top using low to medium heat. The sugar will eventually melt and turn into a caramel. The next step is to make the Leche Flan mixture. We will need 1 cup of powdered milk, 6 tablespoons of sugar, and 250 ml of water. Mix well until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then add 2 eggs. Mix again until smooth. Add some calamansi peel. Then sieve for 3 to 4 times to remove the bubbles. Transfer the mixture into the mold we have prepared a while ago. Cover with foil and tighten with rubber band. I have prepared my steamer beforehand, so the water should be boiling by now. To achieve a smooth leche flan, I learned that it should be steamed in low heat. Before I put the leche flan, I adjusted first the heat to low and let the water stabilize for 2 minutes. Okay, we can now steam our leche flan. This will take around 30 minutes. You can check if the leche flan is cooked by inserting a toothpick or a fork. If the fork comes out clean, then the flan is cooked. I know you want to dig in the moment you remove the flan from the steamer. Hold your thoughts and let the leche flan chill in the fridge for 3 hours. Here's our powdered milk leche flan. Don't be deceived by the holes that you see. It's just the surface. The inside is a smooth and creamy leche flan. If you're craving for leche flan, you can try to make this easy and cheap alternative. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!